Hello, good morning. It is January the 7th, 2021. Today I'm walking into National Park. I'm going to catch a bus back to Auckland and eat a lot of food. 4 weddings. I was invited to 4 weddings over the summer of 2021. Contemplating whether I'd get off trail for them or not, my sister so gently asked, "If this for you is about the people, then what about the ones off trail?" I'm also going to go visit my mum, who is starting a new treatment for her myeloma cancer today. So she'll be in hospital, so it kind of works out for good timing to be able to go see her, because this morning I'm definitely struggling with feelings of guilt and lack of support for not being there.
When we got to Wellington, I just thought, my God, we've walked from Cape Reinga to Wellington. That's just, who does that? It's just weird.
Did we do that?
Yeah, it seems a bit like it was a bit of a dream. I'm Jack.
Kia ora, I'm Michelle. We're in National Park. It's a beautiful Marahui in the background. Only jokes. And yeah, we live in Ofongo, just down the road. It's a beautiful rural village.
If you were to kind of describe Te Araroa to someone, how would you kind of encapsulate?
He tangata. Yeah. The people were beautiful, and like the takeaway from finishing up, like after 4.5 months of walking the length of the country, it sort of became less and less about what we saw and how many kilometers we did, or like what we ate, and the beautiful memories and sort of the emotional experience of just meeting people. When Jack and I were on the trail, I think that there was some cultural aspects missing from it, and I think those aspects are sort of being brought in by more New Zealanders being on the trail, more Indigenous knowledge being shared about the trail and about what people are actually walking through, what they're seeing, what they're experiencing.
I never thought I'd say this doing the trail, because what it is crazy and bizarre and difficult, but at the time I would have loved a highly maintained trail, but I hope it never becomes it.
I think today I'll try to do about 27, and let's see if I can catch those boys that I'm rowing Whanganui River with. Yeah, should be good. It feels good and normal to be back on trail.
And if you're having like a hard time or whatever, you just go, you know what? I walked the length of a country. I can do this.
Wow, it's quick!
There they are. Oh my God, they're beautiful.
There's beauty to be found in the quiet of this house. It's paradise.
So, I'm gonna wait until we can get internet again so I can look up how.
After 2 weeks of going on my own, the boys and I had 5 days of paddling together ahead. 5 days of paddling of what's deemed as one of New Zealand's great walks.
We've got hundreds less walkers. So normally we have overseas people. This year's been mainly New Zealanders, or those that are stuck here and can't go home. Some of them will just do the trail because it's like, well, I can't get home, so why not? But yeah, there's certainly been hundreds less walkers this year. My name is Karen. I am one of the owners of Te Araroa Canoe Hire and Jetboat Tours. I figure my part, I can be a bit of a trail angel as well as a canoe operator. I don't know, it feels like family. So we like, look at me, I get soppy. We like being part of that family. It's a cool thing. Now you can stop filming me now. I don't know, we just love our walkers. They're just cool. And to run around after them and make them bread and coffees and see how grateful they are.
They were in the thing, plus there's 2 bags of food that was in there. So all these empty ones you can use. You obviously don't need all of them. You want to try and get all the gear into the canoe if you can. Maybe put 1 barrel on the fight where it's not too heavy.
We are. Oh, this is so good. How good. What is the date today? 12th? 12th of January 2021. Hailing down Whanganui. I knew it.
I think DiCaprio wants a photo.
So Michael didn't attach his kayak very well. Started flowing down the river. Did you tie it up?
I'm not sure, but I think it wasn't good enough.
The longest stretch would be isolated on the North Island so far, the most disconnected from the world we'd been. An undertow of guilt pulled beneath waves of gratitude. The rapids would serve as a reminder to just be here.
I hope we can find us a place to be, a little hollow for some harmony, oh, for you and for me.
Morning 3. Today we're heading from Te Araroa to... God, Flying Fox. We're hitting the rapids today. Should be good. We'll make it.
Is that even a question?
No, no question.
I mean, I think we did everything right, but the wave was just so high.
Yeah, the 50-50 got us good. Big wave, unavoidable. Nothing we can do.
It's good weather for a little swim.
You stoked?
Thoroughly enjoyed it. Great time.
But they're moving!
Go boys!
Holy...
Here they come! They got this, they got it, they got it. Oh, they got it, they got it.
Oh, no way.
Oh.
Woo! Ow! What the hell took so long? Longest day ever. Ko'ou te awa ko te awa ko'ou. I am the river, and the river is me. The first ever to be granted legal personhood, the Whanganui River from the mountains to the sea, was now, in the eyes of the law, recognised as a living being. The weight of its beauty, its power, felt in the 5 days out there. I was happy to be getting off the river, but sad the magic of it all would be gone. 5 days paddling, 4 acquired brothers. We were just 3 days away from the second half of our journey now, on this one long pathway. Last day on the river.
Can it be that you're here with me?
While people are in our home, it is their home. And for as much as people may come to us as strangers, our belief, our passion is that they depart here as friends.
Because you're just people who are enjoying yourselves, doing something really positive, and you've got an aim and an objective in life, and there's so many people in this world who don't. And to entertain and get to know and become friends with people of that nature is a marvellous gift for us. And it's what we receive from the hikers that counts, not what we give. And we believe that we receive a lot more than we ever give.
We had a conversation here just the other day about mana and what that meant. And for us, that is the instilling from those people like yourself who come here, and your presence gives us that. It allows us to feel that pride in ourselves that we're doing something. And my mother was always a passionate follower of us with this, and she met many TAs over the years here and in her home, and she always used to remind me Manaakitanga, and I know that she knows that we're doing it okay. Yeah, if we can help you to achieve your goal in terms of this Hīkoi called Te Araroa, then our job is done.
Leaving the sanctuary of Rob and George and the river that brought us, there was this sense now that we were being looked after, looked over.
Oh my god! How you doing, Michael?
I'm red.
You've got me running in circles. I don't ever want to slow down. Let's just keep spinning, spinning, spinning. Just keep going round, going round. You've got me running in circles. I can't keep both feet on the ground. Let's just keep spinning, spinning, spinning. Just keep going round, going round. Nothing but sunshine, sunshine and happiness are all that's around us now. And I haven't felt, I haven't felt.
And today is the 19th of January 2020, and I am road walking from Bulls to High.
Slow down. Let's just keep spinning, spinning, spinning. Just keep going.
Trail angels, the saving grace to the roads of Palmy and refuge from the rain. Soon to enter our first real mountain range. Tensions were rising. 21st of January 2020. Today we enter, well, the foothills of the Te Araroa. And I don't know what's ahead, but should be good.
You seem nervous.
I do. I always get pre-trail nerves. But no, I'm excited. You excited, Michael?
No, I lost my second knife.
The second knife?
That's not right.
very excited. I can't wait. But dubious about the weather. We'll see how it goes. Hey, should be good though. Fingers crossed.
I'm so excited. It's for me. It's going home. How good is that?
Dude,
I got beautiful. Yeah.
It's
gonna be wet. It's gonna be wet. It's gonna be windy. But that's the Te Araroa's. I wouldn't want it any other way.
Well, we've done it. Halfway point. I remembered back to when I hit halfway on the Pacific Crest Trail. It had only been a year and a half since, but the concept of being outside of New Zealand now, just that. Nothing was guaranteed, not even getting to the end of this trail without some kind of disruption. Phoenix! We were in a different world now. Alrighty, it is the 22nd of January 2021 and currently I find myself in a forest that is muddier than Ratia. Probably due to the massive downpour that went on last night. Oh my god, he gave me the biggest fright of my life. Here's Michael. Tomorrow starting into the Te Araroas and I'm at this point where I'm kind of like figuring out what's next. If there's something I want to change about my hike. We'll see. But it is a beautiful day. Hey buddy! Hello! Aw. Okay. Te Araroa resupply is ready to go. Got a peanut butter in a bag. It's the overflow in the tube. Should be 3 big days.